Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Umar Farooq. I'm the founder and CEO of Tech Valley. First of all, I would like to say a big thank you to Arfa Karim Foundation for nominating me for this Social Impact Enterprise Award. It's an absolutely honor for me and for my organization for being recognized from Arfa Karim Foundation and from the jury. This award was only possible because of the team that we have, because of the members of our team who have started this journey with me in KP from my hometown, Aptabad. जहाँ से ये सफ़र शुरू हुआ और सफ़र जब शुरू हुआ तो it was very difficult and it's very challenging to create awareness in tier 2, tier 3 cities of Pakistan where we don't have employment opportunities available like in metropolitan cities like Lahore, Karachi and Islamabad. And especially when we have realized that we need to make this dream socially impactful, we need to create this opportunity for the young youth of Pakistan starting from our hometown. We became partners with Google, which is a global brand. We start working with them with schools, we start working with them with elementary schools, middle schools and colleges to empowering these kids with the same tools, with the same skills जो एक बच्चा US में या Silicon Valley में इस वक्त यूज़ कर रहा है. और ये skills और ये struggle awareness करना without the proper infrastructure, without the proper advertisement tools is never easy. Lekin alhamdulillah, I think our journey has been successful across Pakistan, even in Gilgit-Baltistan, in Balochistan, in Sindh, in Punjab. All of these kids have learned how to use internet safely. We have empowered them with future skills of employment, and now recently we have came up with Made in Pakistan Chromebook, I think which we are really proud of to make Pakistan brand as a global brand. The message to youth is कि अब आपका इंतज़ार कोई नहीं करेगा, आपने अब जो कोडिंग करनी थी वो हो चुकी है, अब आपको प्रॉम्प्टिंग आनी चाहिए, अब आपको AI का रिस्पॉन्सिबल इस्तेमाल आना चाहिए, and you need to compete with the global youth. Your competition is not next door or next city. You need to learn AI with responsibility. You need to use this technology in a positive manner, or inshallah Pakistan will become a global brand like Arfa has started as a founder, as a young entrepreneur. We are all very proud of the work that she has done, and let's carry her legacy forward. Thank you.